Good morning, you guys. Hello. It's been a bit since I've picked up the camera. Welcome back, you guys. So, last time I was vlogging, I did a leg day, and oh my god, you guys, yesterday I had a rest day, and my legs hurt so bad still. RDLs are no fucking joke. Like, they hurt so bad. So I've been, like, literally all morning debating if I want to go to the gym and hit arms, and I know I should, so I'm going to, so I'm gonna get ready to go. But it is Thursday. Happy Thursday, you guys. I should probably address what's behind me, because like I vlog in front of this corner like every single day, and it's just because I like it over here. And someone made a comment about my mirror corner. I like my mirror corner, and I'm gonna continue to vlog in front of my mirror corner. Okay, thank you. Over here I just kind of have like a little memorial for my grandfather and my great aunt, because they passed over the summer and it was really tough. So I just had like a little memorial for them over here because I love them, obviously. And my grandfather, I swear to God, literally like was looking out for me and is always looking out for me, but like especially when I was in my car accident. So just have a little memorial over here in front of my degree that hasn't gotten me anywhere. Hey, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm wearing my Guava Sunset, I think this color is, quarter half zip, and my dark camo lined biker shorts. I hope y'all can see, but this is what I'm wearing, and then I'm just wearing this Nike sports bra underneath. But I don't plan on taking that off because I'm really cold. And then to wear out, I'm gonna wear my Ready to Rulu jogger, put on my Aritzia puffer. I don't know what shoes I want to wear. I'm assuming I'm just gonna wear my Ultra Boost per usual. So I'm gonna hit arms today because tomorrow's gonna be a snowstorm and I don't think I'm gonna be able to leave the house tomorrow. Hence why I'm sleeping over Kyle's, because who doesn't want to be with their boyfriend on a snow day, you know? Alright, you guys, full fit. Put on my Aritzia puffer and I'm ready to go. I hate the cold so much. Okay guys, I just got home. My arms are literally donezo, but it is 11:54. I'm gonna hop in the shower and get dressed for the day. Alright, you guys. Actually, I'll just show y'all what I'm wearing. Actually, no, you guys can see this. Okay, so I'm wearing this muscle tee that we got in like a few months ago, honestly. And then the blue Align, the blue Align pants in 25-inch. These just came in. And then my all-white Adidas Ultra Boost. So I'm gonna head out, and then I'm sleeping over Kyle's after. We're gonna test them out. Kyle already freaking cheated, so.
Yeah, have a nice Reese's one. Catch up. How's the Reese's?
Was it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Tastes like, yeah, very sweet, right?
No, it's too peanut buttery.
Yeah, it's definitely a peanut butter cookie.
Too peanut buttery. I wanna try the blue one next.
I don't know about the one.
Why? I feel like it'll be so good.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
I'm not?
No.
Why?
Because it's a Chips Ahoy cookie. What the heck's the blue frosting? Why is it blue?
I kinda like it.
Does the cookie taste like a cookie?
Yeah.
Chips Ahoy cookie though?
But I don't think you're gonna like it.
Yeah, I don't think I'll like it either. It just smells like normal frosting.
I like the frosting. It's like blueberry-y.
Not bad.
I like it. I like it better than the Reese's one.
It's okay. It tastes like Chips Ahoy.
I don't even know what Chips Ahoy tastes like.
I don't really get the Chips Ahoy.
Alright, do you want to try the one that I really don't want to try?
No. Let's do that one first.
Vanilla sugar. I feel like we've already had this one, yeah.
Yeah, that looks the same. I mean, it's just plain white last time.
I love this one.
Alright, well, screw that one then.
Ooh.
What's this one called?
Cornbread.
Oh, cornbread.
Yeah, I'm nervous for this one.
Is this supposed to be butter on top? Is that what that was supposed to be? A thing of butter? That's kind of funky.
Oh, wow. I kind of like it.
It's kind of cornbready.
I kind of like it.
It's like really, it's not sweet. It's just sugary cornbread.
It has that cornbread texture.
It's sugary cornbread. Yeah. Well, you can see it has cornbread in it. You can see the little yellow dots.
I kind of like it.
It's what do they call it? Cornmeal or something? It's probably wrong. I don't know. They call it something. Not bad.
I actually thought I was going to hate this one. I literally texted Kyle and I'm like, should we even get it? Okay. German cake time.
What is that?
I don't know.
Coconuts? Like inside of
Oh, it smells
caramel?
pretty good.
It's like coconutty caramel. That's what it looks like.
Get one with me. You're waiting for
And
me
then
to
it's got
try
like
it.
more chocolate. Yeah, if it tastes like...
Oh, it's coconut.
It is. It looks like it. Caramely coconut with chocolate.
Good. Try it. So good. Oh my god, this is really good.
You didn't want it.
Tastes like the top of an acai bowl.
Nah, you're just lying.
No, I'm not kidding. It's actually really good.
No, there's some kind of like candy that this tastes like.
I really like this one.
Not too bad.
Which one was your favorite?
I hate how they're so chocolatey on the bottom for the cookie wise. They're always so like extra chocolatey.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite? The cornbread one, really?
Well, I like this one probably, but I don't know. This one's alright. Chips Ahoy's meh. Well, this one's fine too.
Love this one.
I'm kind of just excluding both of those. And that one, I guess. I don't like
We didn't even
these
try
two are
these.
meh.
We already know what that tastes like, though.
Well, I tried that one too.
Okay, my favorite was the German chocolate cake. I actually really like that one. And then just to make sure that the chocolate chip cookie tastes good.
I still don't get this blue frosting.
Maybe it's
so
to
much.
represent the ocean.
It's so much frosting.
Mm.
It's literally like as thick as a cookie.
Oh my god, it started snowing on my way home. I started freaking out a
Already?
little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fast.
But like not enough for it to stick. hot mess right now. Oh my god. Okay, so you guys last saw me when I did my arm day, and I'm still so sore. It's 2 days later, I think. Yeah, it's 2 days later. And my arms hurt so bad. It's like not even freaking funny. But so I just had breakfast, had my coffee, trying to drink my water. I'm gonna go to the gym and do some cardio. So that's what we're gonna do. And so I'm trying to leave here before 11:30 because I have work at 3. So I'm trying to get out of the gym by 12:30, get home by like 1:15ish, and then like leave at 2. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is what I'm wearing to the gym. I'm wearing my It's Rulu half zip in black and my Aloe Yoga blue little biker shorts. And yeah. You guys, I literally drove to the gym and they close in 10 minutes. Yay! Alright, you guys. So pretty much I was getting in my car to go to the gym. Couldn't find my AirPods, so I was really frustrated about that. Then I finally found them. They were inside my other jacket's pocket, which was fine. And then drove all the way to the gym. Not the closest drive, so super frustrated about it being closed. And then I went to go get my prescription and the pharmacy was closed. What freaking pharmacy is closed on weekends? Like, I literally never go to that pharmacy again. Like, so inconvenient. So I just wasted so much gas. And that is a big deal because gas is ridiculous right now and it's gonna keep getting worse. So yay! Ah, golly gee. So a little frustrated, but that's okay. I listened to a few podcasts on the way home to kind of lighten my mood, but whatever, we're okay. Maybe it was just God's way of saying like you need to recover from your arm day still, so relax. So that's what I'm trying to do. But anyway, I'm gonna head on in. I'm gonna shower even though I literally did nothing to work out and get ready for work pretty much. So let's go back inside. Oh my god. Alright, you guys, so I was able to snag my prescription, but now I really gotta head to work and I'll show y'all what I'm wearing hopefully when I get to work if I have time. Okay, you guys, so obviously I didn't get to finish the vlog, and if you were curious as to what I was just wearing my funnel neck half zip scuba in Rover and some camo leggings in my black Ultra Boosts. So that's what I wore, and then I went to work and then just had like the longest day ever because I was a 3 to 10:30 shift, so that was so super long. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.